Welcome to the future of learning, where technology meets hands-on experience. Collaborate, innovate, and create. In engineering labs, students build new systems, solve problems, and grow the skills that shape modern technology. Outside on campus, students test new ideas, collect data, and turn concepts into real results. Hands-on work brings new projects to life with teamwork and creativity. In advanced STEM spaces, students push new ideas forward and build the future.
Hey, the beat. Thank you for tuning in to HipHop Tutor. From the streets to the tech, you can build the future.